Want to add dynamic effects to your PDF documents? Looking to make your presentations more engaging? Easily convert your PDF into a PowerPoint. You can use dynamic effects to showcase different elements of the document and enrich your presentation. Today, we'll show you how to automatically convert a PDF from Google Drive into a PPT, and the whole process is fully automated. First, you'll need an account on the Make platform, which is a free automation tool. Then, upload your PDF document to Google Drive. Just drag it to the designated area. Open Make and log in. Create a new scenario and rename it. Here, I'm going to name it AI plus PDF to PowerPoint. Next, select your Google Drive. Then choose Download a file. Pick the document from the list. Select the file you just uploaded and click Save. Next, choose ComPDFKit PDF Converter, a powerful tool that supports all PDF conversions. Select PDF to PPT, create a task. You'll need to enter your license key to connect a ComPDFKit PDF Converter. Click here to register for a free ComPDF account. Then, log in and go to the dashboard to get your license key, which allows you to process up to 1,000 documents for free each month. You can generate a new license by clicking here. Copy your license key, go back to Make, and paste it in. Save and move to the next step, upload a file. For better conversion results, click here to get the reference code for the parameter settings. Click Conversion Guides, Convert PDF to PPT. Here, you can learn about all the parameters. For example, whether to include comments, images, whether to enable OCR, whether to keep the background after enabling OCR, and whether to enable AI table recognition. 1 means enabled, 0 means disabled. Copy the parameter code and set it based on your needs. For example, if your PDF includes images, you'll want to choose Include Images. I'll leave the other parameters as default or just delete them. Next step, start a task. Then add a repeater flow control to repeat the next step and get the complete file information. Next, choose Get File Information. Then, you need to set up 2 routes. If the target file is not generated, go back and get the file information again with Tools. If the target file is generated, go to the file URL with HTTP. Remember, both routes need to set up a filter. For Tools, choose Does Not Exist. For HTTP, choose Exist. Next, after HTTP, choose Google Drive again to save the target file. Of course, you can choose another storage option if you prefer. Choose Upload a File. and add parse.json, then insert the instructions here. Right-click and choose Add Error Handler, commit to finish the process. Finally, click Run once to start the automation. Once the process is done, open Google Drive, and the result will be right there. Click to download and open the file. Now you can add some animations, set the slideshow mode, and kick off your presentation.